In this video, I'm going to show you how to underline in Sejda PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left here on the website, hover over All Tools, and click on Edit. Also, you could do this if you're using the desktop app. Just open it up, go to All Tools, and then Edit, and the process from there is going to be the same. First, you have to upload your file, click on it, and click on Open. And from here up top, there's going to load a bunch of different tools, and the one we're going to use is the Annotate, so click on it, and from here, you have the Underline. Now, you have to first select the color via which, of course, which you want to use. I'm going to select green over here, and when you do that, you'll be able to just hover over text you want to underline like this, and as you can see, when I release my left mouse button, there we go, I've successfully underlined that text. Now, I can always click on this, and of course, select and change the color from here as well. That's entirely possible, or just hide it like that, or of course, reveal it again, and that's it. So, that's how to underline. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.